So we are already connected to the system. We have our login screen displayed, so we are very close to get inside of SAP system. So SAP trial system, which we have already installed, provides default user for development. So the name of the user is called developer, and the password for that is appliance, and this starts with a and I will just type it down here to the notepad so that you can see, and you will also find this information directly below the video in the resources sheet. So let's or just search for that information. In the meanwhile, I will type that into the notepad, and the password is in this format, APPLI. Instead of I, you use one, appliance. So this is the password for developers. So let's just copy that and paste it to the password, and I make sure that I have client 001 and logon language is English, and hit enter. And right now, copyright this pop-up window with information. We will just hit continue, and we should get into the main screen. So let's wait for a few seconds, and yes, congratulations, if you are in the state, you are already inside of your SAP system, which is running on your local machine. So great, congratulations, you are already in. In the following lectures, I will show you few more things which you can tweak around, or which can be really useful for you if you are really new to this to the SAP system. See you in the next lecture.